Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you a really quick last minute Valentine's Day makeup look. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to be starting with a really thin layer of foundation. I don't want anything too crazy. So I'm using this one by Maybelline It's to Fit Me foundation, and I'm just using my beauty blender to just blend that in all around my face. For concealer, you guys know I'm going to be using MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer. It's my absolute favorite. I actually mentioned it in like every makeup tutorial that I've done. And I'm just going to be applying it under my eyes and then using the beauty blender to blend it in. To set my concealer, I'm just using Rimmel's Stay Matte Powder, and then whatever's left on the brush, I just use to set the rest of my face. For my eyes, I'm using this Duo by Chanel, and I'm starting out with the lighter side, and I'm going to be using that all over my eyelids. And this color is really beautiful. It's almost like a really light pink, almost like shiny nude color. I really wanted to keep this look really simple and minimal, so I'm just going to grab the taupe color on like a blending brush, and I'm just going to apply it all over my crease, and that's pretty much it. With whatever's left over on the brush, I'm just going to drag it along my bottom lash line just for a little bit more definition. Instead of eyeliner, I like to use a dark brown eyeshadow and an angled brush, and then I just kind of draw like a winged liner on my eye. I like to do the same thing on my bottom lash line, but I use a lighter hand so it's not too harsh. I just think it gives a little bit more dimension and it makes your lashes look a little bit darker, which makes them look fuller and makes your eyes look bigger. I'm not a big false lashes kind of person. Actually, truth be told, I've never been able to apply them properly, so I do tend to stick to mascara. This one is just by Maybelline. It's Lash Sensational Mascara. It's my absolute favorite. It always gives a really natural and effortless look. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I don't really put too much effort into them, to be honest. I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows and fill in any sparse areas. Then I grab the mascara again and I put it on my bottom lashes, and honestly, I don't know why I do it in this order, but it just always happens this way. I decided to just go for some blush. I've been doing this a lot recently where I just wear blush because, I don't know, it gives it like a really natural, girly, flush kind of look, and it's very like 1950s. Everyone was obsessed with rouge back then, so it just kind of reminds me of that time era. So since it's Valentine's Day, I thought it would be a great day for a red lip moment, and this one is from Besame, and it is the color C215 Red Velvet, and it is one of my new favorite red lipsticks. It's a gorgeous tone, and I'm using a lip brush again from Besame to apply it. If you want a full review of the Besame lipsticks, check out the blog post down in the description bar. I also talk about 2 other shades that would be perfect for this look. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!